How to use a Visa gift card at Walmart during self-checkout. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in this video we're going to be learning how we can actually use a Visa gift card at Walmart during the self-checkout process. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use a Visa gift card at Walmart during self-checkout, open up your browser, go to Walmart website and then log into your account. Add a few products to your cart, which I'm assuming you've already done. Click on the cart icon from the top right and then proceed to the checkout page by just selecting the option called continue to checkout. Now once you select your delivery options and continue to checkout, it will ask you to actually enter a payment method. You don't have to do anything because all you got to do is simply enter your Visa gift card number over here, because you can see they does accept Visa debit, Visa credit or Visa gift cards. Once you enter the card number, if the card details is actually valid, click on continue. It will ask you for other information such as the CVC of the card and so on, and you can just select card type. You can select Walmart gift card in this case or whatever else you prefer, and click on continue, and then your gift card will be successfully added and then applied to purchase this product which you see over here. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then actually add and use a Walmart Visa gift card during self-checkout process. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.